Welcome to Vradivage Finance. And guess what? The new GMP predictions for Excess of Technologies Limited by Vradivage Finance. Hey, dear investors, viewers, and every YouTube audience. Vradivage Finance usually comes on Saturday, Sunday, and Monday. But unfortunately, we have logged on a Friday because there are two IPOs going to get listing in today's market. That's the reason we don't wanted to skip the listing gain for as like a pine lab. We have skip out. If we skip like this anything, probably it may cost our YouTube channel too. Okay. So anyways guys, did you enjoy our videos which is related to capillary technology and apart from Fujiya system power system? So check out our GM predictions for Fujiya. Yeah, what is the name of the company? I guess is Fujiyama Power System. See, this company Fujiyama Power System is a long-term company. It will gain it within a year. Just wait and watch. Because if we see the market is right now taking it step by step towards the acquiring some technology implementation within the human life, like EV market has literally have a good scope in the nearest 5 year down the line according to Vridivage Finance. What is your point of view? You can tell me. And apart from that, capillary technology. If we see capillary technology and Excelsoft technology probably may beat a competition in in a different manner according to Prithviraj Finance, because Excelsoft technology is also Bangalore based, capillary technology is also Bangalore based. Yes, if we see the strategy of Excelsoft technology is the biggest comparing to the capillary technology. Capillary technology, I'm not so sure how much, but they are the fastest growing company. Okay, they are the fastest growing company. And this Excelsoft is, let me see, Excelsoft have something called like they as I said in today's morning video of capillary technologies, all about capillary technology is basically their listing game is not rocket science. I will tell you in reverse. Okay. Now I'm feeling sleepy because it's night 1 a.m. I guess so. I mean, so anyways, we will not go in deep dive analysis. Actually, I feel literally sleepy as I early in the morning I wake up, and apart from that, yesterday I made that only I uploaded the video today morning. Otherwise, I did everything at the night itself. Only I need to do some sort of recording and put it the video on the spot, and unfortunately that video has uploaded around 9 because yeah, because internet connection disruption I guess so. I mean, I don't want you to blame something, the slow internet and etc etc. Wherever you stay in India, internet disconnection is the biggest challenge for all of you, because we are not sitting on a Wi-Fi. We are not sitting on the signals, whether you are from metro or whether from remote area, all about unexpected something happening. So anyways, Excelsoft technology is into the market since 2000. So since 2000, Excelsoft technology is existing into the market, and capillary, I think you can go check about the capillary more in detail. Yeah, we will upload on this Sunday what will be the video about capillary technologies company strategy video. You will see it You will see it that video will be available by Sunday. We will give it to you more analysis about the capillary technology in the nearest future. In the sense within 3 days. So Excel Soft Technologies Limited by Vridhivesh Finance, the GMP predictions. First of all, we walk through via IPO detail. Let us see what is the true. So the Excel Soft is issue period was 19th of November 2025 till 21st November 2025, and this is issue type is 100% book building issue, price range between 114 to 120 per equity share. 10 rupees will be face per equity share. Sorry, this is RE1. Ticket size bid lot is 125 equity shares and the multiple thereof. Maximum subscription amount for retail individual investor up to 2 lakh rupees. Okay, we will not give detail on QIB investor or NIB investor. IPO market time 10 a.m. to 5 p.m. Book running lead manager Anand Rathi Advisory Limited and sponsored bank ICICI Bank Limited and Axis Bank Limited. What and why this IPO has got subscribed or not get subscribed by YouTube, by investors choice. Let us see what Excelsoft has picked up the attention from the market. This IPO of Excelsoft Technology has really pick up the attention from the investors. And no, I think they have a control a lot, or they have given the wrong time. This Excelsoft Technologies launched their IPO with their competitor, and that's the reason probably they don't get more subscription. But it's okay if you haven't buy this IPO. Trust me, there will be an opportunity for you to invest in the stock after listing gain or in a discount price even. So let's watch what Excelsoft Technology will deliver to the market on the day of listing. What is your opinion about it? Let me know into the comment. So here is the detail of Excelsoft Technologies. The qualified institutional buyer show interest in this IPO just zero point 0.0 total number of category. Apart from that, non-institutional investors show interest in this IPO 13.77 number of total mint for the category. Other than that, we seen the retail individual investors subscribe this IPO is a very good amount, that is 4.37 number of total mint for the category. Overall, this IPO has got just subscribed around 5.15 number of total mint for the category. So if we see that capillary technology has got around 50% subscription as comparing as Excelsoft Technology Limited, why there is a discrepancy to get this IPO? Probably people applied for a capillary and they are unable to get invested in the Excelsoft, because probability, in case of probability of IPO luck, there are more number of people basically to dump their money while applying multiple IPOs. Yeah, if we see there are the people who invest in the IPOs at a time or apply from the different accounts of the bank, so they get the IPO in their demat account. But unfortunately, sometimes it wouldn't happen, and sometimes they get happen. So, anyways, guys, if you don't find the luck to get IPO, find the new competitor of capillary, that is Excelsoft Technologies Limited. What is your favorite chance to buy the stock? So we will yeah, we will give it to all of you, that one of our one of our video will be the available. Yeah, we do the Nasdaq analysis too. And apart from that, 100 days, 100 equity, $100 challenge is available. Yeah, we will do some sort of changes in those videos, because as I see, those videos are not been liked by or something by the companies, as I seen. I mean, whatever we are making probably not worth for them, but as I seen the perfect about capillary technologies GMP. Trust me, I uploaded that video at 9 a.m. It's not like that I uploaded that video after 9 a.m. or 9:30 or 10 o'clock. That video I have given at a 9 a.m. If you see, the listing gain was 610. I said 600 will be the first target, and it really happened. So I really feel good. Apart from that, Fujiyama power system, I said fixed price issue will be there, and you can check out all the details on that terms. So Fujiyama, probably my stat maybe had some sort of error, because I'm a human and human do the error, because I'm not robot or computer to understand what will be the marketing strategy, what are their factors. I don't have any connection with the any management. I don't have any connections with anybody into the market. I'm just randomly putting my videos on the app to understand what is my strategy of stat, and apart from that, how I understand financial market. So do you interested to understand financial market? Yeah, there are number of competitor like CAs and many more qualified people makes a YouTube channel along with the technical people. If we see, few of the guys who's highly qualified, but they are running their fintech channels. So it's all about the fintech companies, and we are inspired by that. Are you inspired by fintech ideas? Let me know into the comments which YouTube channel are you running, so we will not do any sort of collaboration over here, but we will have one video to congratulating everybody if they are running their own YouTube channel, and they come to visit to our YouTube channel to understand the stat, and might be they are uploading on their YouTube channel, because I trace out something was going behind that, that somebody is putting their news on their content, that how many percentage of listing gain will happen. I mean, data scientists are doing that or something like that. I don't wanted to say, I don't wanted to blame it. Yeah, everyone do copy, cut, paste. I knew it previously. See, but I don't wanted to grab it, that person's name, because I seen that today morning when I traced out something, some news I randomly check out, I just realized that I did not put my video before the news, number one. Okay, because Pine Lab when launch, somebody searched Pine Lab videos on my YouTube channel, but it wouldn't happen. So I think Pine Lab, I was busy somewhere, so I did not create the video or upload it. So, anyways, you can check the stock predictions about Grow. You can check stock predictions about Pine Lab. You can check stock predictions about Lenskart. That is your favorite. So check out all those video where we have given a 3 to 6 months down the line target. So do you like those target? Let me know into the comments. So welcome to the GMP predictions for Excel soft technology. And guess what? This is everyone's favorite dot points. Connecting dot makes a line. So similarly, Vridhi Finance connect the dot and make line of your life. No, no, I mean, not line with the life. We don't make anybody's life. It's all about the just prediction. Dear investors, we were our YouTube audience. This is we are telling 100 times. Market is always at a risk. Whenever you are going to invest into the market, please note that before investing into the market, you have to study yourself, because we are not doing empty your pocket, but we are just telling that uh, you have to check 100 times whether that stock may move up or it will fall down. So buy dump or pump the market is not the strategy which is flash it on the television channel or by print media. It's all about when they dump the shares. Sometimes you may have bigger loss. When the shares has been pumped, might be the shareholder means the owner of the company get 10% more profit than all of you as a retail individual investor. I'm telling all of you. So anyways, we will speak about Excel soft technologies detail. Guess what? Guess what in the sense? See the price range. Uh, Actually, this IPO has got less subscription, but this is undervalue share according to Vriddhi Finance. But their management may think they will give it to listing gain. If they think that they will give it to you listing gain, then trust me, my gosh, how much I will give it to this 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 will be 140 per equity share. I think 140 is enough for listing gain, or 160 is enough. It will be not goes beyond 180 or 200. Okay, and suppose this share will give you discount offer, then trust me, it will open up at 110 rupees even. So all about, yeah, nowadays there is a discrepancy in our stat. As we see in the grow and Lenskart, probably whatever we have predicted, only 1 to 2 rupees has more given by them on the day of listing. So 2 rupees is enough that you gain book the profit. And now that some of the shares are falling even, I don't know what, why, where, and what the management think, because that is not my lookout. I'm just making this video not for financial education. It's all about the predictions. So it's like astrology of finance companies, employees, and their company strategy. Are you believing in us? I don't know, but probably. Yes, we got our first subscriber from Capillary over the Pine Lab. I think in case we give the Pine Lab, then might have we have a more number of subscriber. But unfortunately, we skipped the Pine Lab, and due to that, we lost it. But anyways, Capillary bring our first subscriber of 2025, I guess so, or the second subscriber, I don't know. We don't get a subscriber, fine. We want genuine people on our YouTube channel who wanted to spend time and understand the world of finance, how it really worth for your wallet. What about you worth it to us? I'm not aware it. Thank you by Vriddhi Finance, and we will have beautiful videos by the weekend. I mean, I wanted to sleep right now. So, anyways, guys, what is your worth? How you really believe it? And other than that, Vriddhi Finance will bring the table hot equities, $100, 100 USD, and 100 things you can do it with the 100 equity, whether you wanted to buy the 100 equity, whether you wanted to sell the 100 equity, whether you wanted to do intra trade in the 100 equities. Are you believing in us? I mean, I remember Keynes Technology. I have given the script 6 months back or 1 year back. You can go and check out our Keynes Technologies video. Trust me, that has given a breakout to the market. I I believe it. I had given that video. And I said that will be the intraday trade. You can do it and book the profit on daily basis. But trust me, if you have invested during those days, might be your money has full with your wallet. I guess so. So Excel soft technology will be like a grow or will be like a capillary technology, but here we see the discount offer around 45% and 65%. No, 65% we see that Excel soft technology may give you discount offer, and Excel soft technology may give you listing it probably 45% is expecting by Vriddhi Finance. So, anyways, thank you by Vriddhi Finance to all of you. Happy Sunday in advance. Yeah, tomorrow is a Saturday, but everyone celebrates Sunday. Sunday, fun day, have a great day. Oh my gosh. Now I am in a sleeping, so probably I'm just telling the poems. Anyways, guys, all of you enjoy your holiday with the loved one. Have a great day. Bye bye.